Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I have a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to use the screen recorder that's included with the snipping tool in Windows 11. It allows you to take screen recordings of your screen so you can share them with your friends, family, or coworkers. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so here we are on my Windows 11 PC, and the first thing I should mention is this feature came with a recent update of Windows 11, so make sure Windows 11 is updated on your system. And if you're still not seeing what I'm showing you here today, head on over to the Microsoft Store and do a quick search for Snipping Tool, and you may need to update your Snipping Tool on your system. Now, the other thing I do want to mention is this is only video recording. It does not do audio. It's only going to record video for you of your screen. So let's go ahead and open up the snipping tool here. You can do a quick search here at the bottom, just type in snipping tool, or you can find it in your program. So left click on your start menu here, go up to all apps, and you can scroll through to the letter S, and you should see snipping tool right here. Go ahead and left click on that. That's going to open up this snipping tool on your system. Now from here, this might look familiar. You've got a little camera here which allows you to take pictures of your screen, but there's a new option here that shows a video camera. And if we left click on that, it'll allow us to do screen recordings of our screen. So we'll left click on the little camera there. We'll go ahead and hit new. And what it wants us to do is actually define which portion of the screen we want to record. So we can drag it out and do the whole screen, or we can do a portion of the screen. Maybe we just want to record a portion like this. We're just going to drag that out and drop it. And you can see it says start here at the top. So we'll go ahead and hit start. And now there's a countdown for the screen recording to start. So now the screen recording has started, and we can do whatever we want in this little area and it'll record the screen. So maybe we just want to show someone something on Google. We want to do a quick search for cats and show them that. We can record that portion, and as long as it's in that box, it's being recorded in our video. So once we're done, we can go ahead and hit stop here at the top. It's gonna create that little file for us. Now we do need to save this. So up in the top right-hand corner here, we can go ahead and hit the disk icon or the save as icon. If you do want to preview it, you can just hit play here and it'll play through that little video for us. Now I'm going to go ahead and pause that there. We'll go ahead and save this. So we'll hit that disk icon or the save as. It's going to ask us where we'd like to save it. I'm going to save mine on my desktop, and we can name it whatever we like. I'm going to name mine screen recorder, or maybe screen recording, I should say. And you can see it's saving it as an MP4 file. We'll just go ahead and hit save here, and I'll close this little preview window, and it should be on my desktop here. Let's go ahead and have a look. It says screen recording right there. We can go ahead and play that. There we go. It's bringing it all up for you just as we recorded it. Perfect. And from there, we can go ahead and take that file and email it to someone or upload it, show our friends what we're trying to do. So a great little option here in the snipping tool in Windows 11, very useful for sharing with your friends, family, or your work colleagues. So I hope this tutorial helped you make screen recordings in Windows 11 with the snipping tool. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.